enjoy shared prosperity, even as we look into the future. Secondly, the remark I wanted to make is just to emphasize and underscore that the United Kingdom has remained a key partner for Kenya in the area of the fight against corruption and the fight also against illicit financial flows as well as money laundering. In that respect, we have been able to agree to a program whereby they will continue supporting us even as we manage that space, because just like terrorism, the flow of illicit finances is an international and transboundary criminal activity, and it requires international support, international collaboration. Lastly, in the past, present, and in the future, the United Kingdom is also supporting Kenya to ensure that we remove the threat of a cyber, the threat of that comes through the cyberspace. And therefore, we want to commit ourselves to ensure that over and above the framework documents that have been signed, we are going to rapidly develop action plans, which should be concluded in the next 2 weeks or so that we can have this program running into the future, making sure that our countries are aligned and looking at our stability from a common perspective.